Top 7 Beautiful Places to Visit in Sweden. Sweden Travel Video. Welcome to Sweden, a land of enchanting landscapes and vibrant culture. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 must-visit destinations in Sweden, where nature's wonders and cultural treasures collide. Stick around to the end for the ultimate travel tips to make your Swedish adventure unforgettable. Nestled in Swedish Lapland, Abisko National Park is a winter wonderland beyond imagination. Famous for its crystal-clear skies, it's a prime spot to witness the mesmerizing northern lights. Whether it's hiking in summer or skiing in winter, Abisko's untouched wilderness will leave you breathless. Escape to the Stockholm Archipelago, a collection of 30,000 stunning islands just outside the Swedish capital. Sail through glittering waters, kayak along dramatic sea cliffs, or explore quaint fishing villages. It's the ultimate destination for peace, serenity, and scenic beauty year-round. Stockholm, the Venice of the North, seamlessly blends tradition and innovation. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Gamla Stan, admire world-class museums like the Vasa Museum, or enjoy trendy cafes and shops. This vibrant city holds something for every type of traveler. On Sweden's west coast, Gothenburg charms visitors with its relaxed vibe, fresh seafood, and beautiful parks. Don't miss the famous canals or strolling through Haga. Whether savoring Michelin star meals or immersing in nature, Gothenburg offers an experience that balances city life and outdoor adventure. Visby, on Gotland Island, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a medieval charm like no other. Wander through its ancient city walls and cobblestone streets lined with colorful flowers. This city of roses is perfect for history lovers seeking a glimpse of Sweden's past. Located in Jukkasjärvi, the ICE Hotel is a masterpiece carved entirely of ice and snow that melts and is rebuilt yearly. Stay overnight in intricately designed rooms or just visit to admire the icy art. If you've ever dreamed of a magical Arctic escape, this is the spot for you. For adventure seekers, Kungsleden is a must. This iconic trail, stretching over 400 kilometers, takes you through pristine valleys, towering mountains, and shimmering lakes. Whether you're an avid hiker or enjoy shorter, picturesque walks, Kungsleden captures the raw beauty of Sweden's wilderness. Sweden is brimming with natural wonders and cultural gems waiting to be discovered. From the northern lights to medieval towns, every corner offers inspiration. Ready to plan your trip? Like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips, and let us know which destination tops your Swede bucket list below.